Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making some really easy, really delicious vegan chili. You guys, look at this. It takes less than an hour to make this whole recipe, so let's get it started. So these are the ingredients. You can use whatever vegetables you guys like. So I'm using a pressure cooker. You can use an Instant Pot or you can cook it on your stovetop. Just cook it for a little bit longer. And these are the vegetables I'm using: some onions, celery, some green peppers, and I have some canned vegetables, my black mushrooms. You can use whatever you guys like in your chili. And of course, don't forget your seasonings. Black pepper, I'm using sea salt, red pepper flakes, cumin, paprika, curry powder, garlic powder, and chili powder, of course. We're going to go ahead and saute our veggies, our raw veggies, and get them going, get them, started before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. Y'all, this recipe is literally so easy. You just add it all to the pot. I let it cook down a little bit, but since it's all going to, meld together while we're letting it pressure cook, let's do it. Let's let it pressure cook. So y'all, this beer, let me tell you, this time I'm trying something a little different and using a dark beer. I heard that kind of would elevate the chili, kind of like how wine does to pasta sauce. So I'm adding some dark beer. So mix that in, make sure you add the rest of your toppings. I added some vegetable stock as well and some more tomatoes. I kind of just felt it out to make sure I get an even consistency. You can go ahead and taste it and add more seasonings to your liking. And I also added a veggie bouillon cube just to give it a little bit extra of that vegetable flavor, and added some water to let that come together. And I actually cooked this for about 30 minutes. And y'all, look at this. When you open up that pressure cooker and you just see the food looking good, it's just exciting. Y'all, this was so easy. I made some rice and some cornbread, got my little toppings, made some sausage. Look how cute this is. It was so good and super easy. And we had so much chili. This is really good to prep for these cold days coming up, and just have something warm that you already know, that's super easy, that you made really quickly, but you can have it for a few days. Y'all gonna try this? All the details are down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out. So if you want to see more videos like this, super easy recipes, be sure to click on this video for an easy whole foods dinner recipe.